An accurate and reliable food safety management system is a definite requirement of businesses to ensure high quality and safe food products in food, feed, and related industries. There's a risk of food contamination in every part of the food supply chain, from farm to fork. Therefore, control measures should be in place, from pre to post-harvest, processing, packaging, transporting, storing, and selling of food products. Food safety should always be a top priority. Competitive advantage in the market is achieved if the food producer has a conscious adherence to the global standards in quality assurance, especially on food safety. Glenwood is committed to help companies establish top-class food safety management systems with technologies that are fully supported and approved by reputable institutions worldwide. Since its establishment in 1995, Glenwood Technologies International has been the leader in the exclusive distribution of premium rapid diagnostics and hygiene monitoring kits from trusted manufacturers worldwide, providing quality and technologically advanced products to meet the emerging needs for food and feed safety diagnostics, trusted by the country's largest companies and government institutions. Known as the pioneer in marketing rapid test kits, Glenwood continues to develop its product lines to provide reliable and immediate results in support of its clientele's aim to be globally competitive through conformance with the respective industries' existing local and international standards and regulations. Glenwood's core group of technical and marketing staff consists of top microbiologists, food technologists, chemists, and allied professionals in the food and agricultural fields. Combined with broad industry and regional expertise, Glenwood provides the competitive advantage necessary to deliver world-class excellence and best quality products at optimum service. True to its mission to uplift the food safety culture in the country, Glenwood took the initiative to publish the very first magazine on food safety and quality awareness from farm to fork. The Food Safety Trends Philippines magazine is regarded as the reference material of thousands of food safety professionals and students all over the Philippines. Glenwood helps to ensure that food safety is maintained in all parts of the supply chain, from farm to fork. With its superior products and optimum services, we help ensure that every food served to every Filipino is safe for consumption.